Hey, I'm Fish. I got here on the table, yes indeed, as you can see in the background. Thank you very much. And we have here is a Insta 360 1X2. I'm going to be using a heat gun, if it's a Seacomb or a Tidagro. I'm going to just get them out of the way. I don't want anything bothering me when I'm doing my stuff. We have a case that protects everything. So if you don't have a towel and you want to put it in the case, do so. I'm going to get it out of my way. Even a soft cloth case, never rest these lenses on a flat table. So get anything that you don't need out of your way. Not my coffee. Now, I was also given this EGHA 1059. Comes in a case. It sells for $12 all the way up to $40, depending on how fast and quick you want to get your replacement single lens. Focus, baby. Now, I could come here and grab my caliper. I could take a measurement and make sure I'm on the right one. I'll mark the damaged one. That's correct, the back side, right? Not going to be a 1-minute video because I am taking my time. I want to get it done right the first time and then mess it up the first time. I could take a measurement. Don't need to take a measurement. But you want to know the exact size, that's how you would do it. I need light. Light's important. I got a flashlight in case I need to look inside. It's all speckled, got dust and everything. And I'm not sure if it's even optical glass like these polycarbons. They don't collect dust. These are simply collect dust. Let me show you the damage. Put a light on the subject. Can you see the damage? I'm 2 inches from the lens. Oh man, I gotta clean you off. You're dirty as well. Where's my cleaning cloth? Got it here somewhere on the table. I don't know where it went to. All clean. Put that to the side. Don't need it now. Now, I got tools here. They say to use a suction cup. How's a suction cup like that going to fit on? I don't need it. Maybe a plastic guitar pick. Don't need it. Maybe the metal one I'll leave out. This one? I don't know. That may be too big. This plastic to get things? All right. A pointed one? Maybe the pointed one's better. And I got a metal, little thing. It's not sharp. And I got a fine screwdriver. I don't think I needed tweezers, but just in case I need to, pull it out. Put that all the way to the side. Get my glasses out of the way. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, how am I going to take this apart? Everybody takes the whole camera apart. I watch many videos out there. And the trick they say is to heat this area up. This is one temperature heat gun, 350 watt. This one is adjustable with the number of fans. It's on its lowest. And I could point the heat. And then I'm going to take a screwdriver. And I'm just going to pry it up. The funny thing is, I don't think I need to heat it up. I think all I need to do is just peel it off. But I want to heat the glue up. So what I want to do now is, let's get to the actual disassembly and show you what we're doing. One more sip of coffee. You notice on the table this blue area? That's where I'm going to have my stuff. I'm going to take everything and just place it out of the blue area. Here we are with the lens. Again, it reads EGHA 1059 Alex Express. I'm not sure where my buddy got his. I'm on low. There's the heat. Not burning me. I'm going to increase it. Not hot. Still not hot. Now that's hot. I'm heating up the glass. I'm heating the glass, and then I'm going to heat around here. I'm going to back off. I need a third hand. This is hot. That is hot. Now I'm going to come in here. I'm going to work it off. Almost off. There we go. It's off. Now, was that so bad? Is there any glue on here? No glue. The only glue that you may see is right here. What is it? Bead of rubber cement, maybe. While that's hot, I'm going to take the other lens. You want to be real careful. Clean it. I'm not cleaning it. I don't got time to clean it. But I am going to snap it in. I'm going to do this. Falls out. So I know I need to glue this. How am I going to glue it? This is great glue, not for this. This is the best glue to use, foam cure. This is equivalent to foam cure. It is just about the same. This is old and outdated. No more is left in there. So what I'm going to do is open this up. I'm going to start to put a bead around here, the edging. I don't need a lot. I'm going to make sure the plastic's here so I can get it on the tip of it. And I'm going to work it right on the edging. How much you want to use is all up to you. Notice how I tilt it away? I try to get it on the opposite sides. That's all I need. Don't need that much. This takes 10 minutes. This would take a number of hours to cure. How do I know this is the broken one? I should have taken it, thrown it out to the side. This should be the good one. Drop it on, snap it into place, clean it up. I'm going to take my cleaning cloth, fold it up, place it on, and apply pressure. I got rubber on both sides. I need to grab the silicone case it came with, wrap both lenses around, stick the silicone case on. That applies enough pressure. If I want to just add a security of it staying on, I'll come down later. All done. Amazing. Just needed that. Didn't even need anything to break apart. Don't even need that. Didn't even need a tweezers because my glass didn't break. It had a shattered area. And I just, no, $10. Oh yeah, man, that'd be great. And I got myself a nice little case that I could just save, put this away. I gotta order another set of this glue, great glue. I didn't need a flashlight, put my tools away and put my heat gun that did the trick. And I was on, got no idea what setting I was on because these things are all upside down when you turn it. I was on plexiglass setting. Great gun, cooled off, took about 5 minutes. It's still hot, believe it or not. And just be a little careful when trying to take it off. You can see that it took a couple of minutes to heat up. Don't overheat it because you will melt and distort that plastic. And that's what I wanted to avoid. I hope you enjoy this, not product review. I hope you enjoyed this. You got it. Insta360 1X2 repair. I'll come back later, check to see if the glue held. If it didn't hold, I'll pull it off and I'll put a little bit more glue on it. That's all there is to it. Too much glue is not good. Too little glue, you have to do it over. Hopefully I'll get it done the right time. The Insta360 1X2, 4 hours, 24-hour cure time. The other one, 10 minutes to tack up, 4 hours is curing, and then the next day is cured as well. Enjoy. Have a great day. I'm Fish, and thank you, my friend, dedicated to my buddy that sent it to me, and he was the gentleman, and now I got his camera. Always sharing fun, both, and that's the way online is. Check out Steve W.B., the gentleman indeed. Check him out, and have a great day.